setups.
Look, the follow edge with teeth is female edge. The follow edge without teeth is male edge. So how do we choose right follow edge?
Usually have four situations.
If your garage has no walls, install follow edge with teeth on two adjacent sides and follow edge without teeth on the other two sides. If your garage has two opposite walls, we need to use follow edge with teeth on one side and follow edge without teeth on the other side. If your garage has two adjacent walls, we need to install follow edge with teeth on both open sides. If your garage has three walls,